Hello, little friends! Welcome to Mommy's Art School, and today we're gonna draw a mommy! Are you ready? Let's do it! So, we are going to draw a happy face. Then we're gonna do a curve this way. Just go with your own creativity, and another curve the other way to start Mommy's hair. Then we're gonna do the eyebrows. And the eyelashes. Happy face. Yay! We're gonna do the mommy's ears. And also cute earrings. Just a little circle or oval. Then we're gonna do her neck. One little curve here, one in the opposite side. Her shoulders and upper arm. And in the opposite side. Great! Now we're gonna do the cutie eyes. These cutie eyes are a little different. Now, remember, we're gonna do two little small circles. You're doing a great job. Do one line in the inside of each arm of the mommy and another curve for the upper dress. Now a smile downwards, and that's gonna be for the skirt. Now the upper part of the hair with a curve this way and another curve this way. It looks like the wavy hair, right? Then we're gonna do on the opposite side. Just take your time with a little curl. Let's come back the other way to close. Great. Now you can do it longer. You can do another curve. Mommy's wavy hair. Imagine that the wind is moving it. What else do you think we're missing on Mommy face? Yes, cute eyelashes. Then we do a very long curve and another one the other way. With small wavy curves for this cute little dress. We can do another layer underneath. More little curves. Great! Now the legs. Do one line and another line going this way like a V. And then her cutie shoe. And another line this way. It looks like the mommy's crossing the legs, and the other one that way with a V and her shoe. Now you can do as many hearts as you wish. And mommy, you're drawing all these hearts to mommy. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. Yay! And let's do a heart on mommy. Now let's color with light brown for the skin. Great! Dark brown for the hair. You can pause the video anytime you want. red for the hearts. Mommy heart is so big. Pink for the dress. Pink dress. I forgot the back of the dress. And the pink shoes. Great! Good job, everybody! You can add anything else to wish the mommy's dress to add your personal touch. And remember, subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you know when more Mommy's Art School fun videos are coming. Ciao, ciao, little friends!